In this video, you're going to learn how to recover an unsaved Excel file from your PC or laptop. So the first thing we're going to do is have a look at the settings. So just from the Excel start screen here, just go down to Options and then Save. And what you'll get by default is an AutoRecover setting so that it saves AutoRecover information every 10 minutes. And just below it, there's also a place where it asks you where you want to save those files. So you can leave that as is, but for the exercise I'm going to do, I'm going to change that to every 1 minute and just make sure these two boxes are checked. Now I'll click on OK. And then I'm going to go and open a blank workbook. Okay, so Excel is going to save AutoRecover information every 1 minute for this workbook, and I'm not going to save it, and I'm going to get out of Excel and then see if I can recover the document. But just as part of the exercise, what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to type in the time right now, which is 3:36. And then I'm going to type in the time again every 2 minutes, a few times. And the reason I'm going to do that is so I can show you that even though technically you're creating a history of different versions of this spreadsheet, you can only auto-recover one version. Okay, so I've typed in the current time a few different times into this spreadsheet, and I've done it every 2 minutes. And because I set AutoRecover to save information every 1 minute, that's given Excel a couple of opportunities to save the AutoRecover information for this file. So let's see what happens now when we close the file without saving it. Okay, so it's asking us if we want to save a copy, and it's also telling us that a recent copy of this file will be temporarily available. Okay, so let's click on Don't Save. Okay, and I've opened up Excel again. And now if I go to Open, and then down the bottom here, if I go to Recover Unsaved Workbooks, it's taken me to the location where it saves the AutoRecover information. And the one that I'm looking for is right here, Book 1. So if I double click on that and open it up, you can see that it saved the version where I had 2 of the times in there. I also had 3:40 p.m. in there, but I mustn't have given it enough time to save that information after I typed it in. And then up the top here, we have a little note that says recovered unsaved file. This is a recovered file that is temporarily stored on your computer. Okay, so if you do accidentally close a file without saving it, you can go through this process. And then when you open it again here, you can click on Save As. And you can give it a name, and you can save it properly, and you're all done. Okay, so that's how you can recover an unsaved spreadsheet that you've saved on a local device, such as a PC or a laptop.